Welcome to our day trip to Agios Nikolaos, a charming coastal town full of history, stunning views, and Mediterranean charm. Our journey began in the morning as we drove from Rethymno to Agios Nikolaos, enjoying scenic coastal roads along the way. On arrival, we parked at the Marina Agios Nikolaos car park, conveniently located close to the water and an ideal starting point from which to begin our exploration. Stepping out, we took in the serene atmosphere of the marina, where boats gently swayed in the breeze. We admired the beautiful yachts and fishing boats before making our way toward Paralia Kitroplatia. This cozy little beach, with its inviting seaside cafes, was the perfect spot to relax and enjoy a morning coffee while taking in the tranquil sea views. Energized, we continued along the coastline, following the scenic route towards the Horn of Amalthea. This symbolic landmark carries mythological significance, representing abundance and prosperity. A little further along the waterfront, we came across another stunning piece of art, the Abduction of Europe, a captivating piece that symbolizes the legendary story of Zeus and Europa. Legend has it that Zeus, the father of all the gods, fell in love with a beautiful princess called Europe. He took the form of a white bull and approached her while she was playing with her friends. Everybody was captivated by its beauty, and then Europe tried to ride on its back. This was the moment Zeus was waiting for, and he rushed into the sea and took her to Crete. Next, we made our way to one of the town's most iconic sites, the Agios Nikolaos Bridge and the enchanting Voulismeni, a small, deep lake connected to the sea. According to legend, the goddess Athena herself bathed in its waters. We climbed the stairs towards the center of town. Here, we paused at the Fisherman's Crypt, a scenic viewpoint offering breathtaking views of the lake and surrounding hills. After soaking in the scenery, it was time for lunch. We ventured into the heart of the town and found our way to Paralia, a charming restaurant known for its delicious Cretan cuisine. After lunch, we roamed the charming little shopping streets, discovering unique souvenirs and local crafts. We then made our way to the other side of the harbour, where we visited the Church of St. George, a peaceful and historic site with a serene atmosphere. As the day came to an end, we slowly walked back to the marina, reflecting on a day filled with stunning views, rich history, and unforgettable experiences. This concludes our day trip to Agios Nikolaos. Our next visit will be to the city of Chania with its famous Venetian harbour and beautiful views. We hope you will join us on that trip. Keep travelling and see you all next time.